Go.
Today is day 4 of Run Across New Mexico to raise money for Cowboy for Cancer Research. So far, $0. But I've made it about 78 miles so far, and today is going to be another 26 miles. So it should put me right outside of Las Vegas, and I'm feeling better than I did yesterday. I don't think I'm as sore, so I think this might be the turnaround. So, and if not, I got plenty more days to work the soreness out.
Cool. So what are you going to do today? You going to run, walk?
I'm going to try to run for as long as possible first. Well, I'm going to run the first mile, and if I feel pretty good, then I'll try to keep going.
Okay.
I'm just not sure, like, there's a big difference between standing here and how my legs feel than actually running.
Okay.
My legs will feel totally different, so I'll find out in a little bit.
How did you end yesterday?
Walking.
Okay. How long did it take you?
It took me 5.5 hours. Long time. But I slept really well. So.
Good. Cool. Anything you want to say to your friends?
You guys are jerks.
Why? Just kidding? Okay. Okay. You going to encourage anybody to run with you when you get to, say, Santa Fe or?
Yeah. That'd be nice.
Okay.
So whoever wants to, join us. It'll be fun.
All right. Okay. So we'll pick it up